A taste of tradition in Cam Ton. Escape the bustling streets of Hoi An and journey to the tranquil oasis of Cam Ton. Today, we delve into the heart of Vietnamese culture, starting with the fragrant herb gardens of Tra Khe. Here, we'll discover the secrets of these unique herbs, known for their incredible aroma and flavor. Learn how they're grown organically, using traditional methods passed down through generations. Next, we embark on a truly unique adventure, a ride on the mighty water buffalo. Feel the gentle sway as these magnificent creatures carry us through the picturesque waterways of the coconut village. Now, let's put our fresh Tra Khe herbs to good use. Join a cooking class led by a local expert. Learn the art of Vietnamese cuisine, creating delicious dishes with the ingredients we've harvested ourselves. Hold on tight as we hop into traditional basket boats. Learn to navigate the canals like a local, and maybe even engage in a friendly race with fellow travelers. This is a hands-on experience you won't soon forget. Finally, we savor the fruits of our labor. Sharing a delicious meal with newfound friends, surrounded by the beauty of Cam Ton, is the perfect way to end our journey. Cam Ton offers a truly immersive cultural experience. From the fragrant herb gardens to the thrill of riding a water buffalo, this is a journey that will stay with you long after you've left. Come and experience the magic of Cam Ton. Book your adventure today.